In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Quotex affiliate link. This is an excellent opportunity for those of you who are looking to join an affiliate program that's not only rewarding, but also quite straightforward to get started with. So, let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily follow along and have your affiliate link ready in no time. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Quotex live trading page. Simply open your preferred web browser, and in the search bar type in Quotex live trading, or use the direct link if you have it. This will take you to the platform's main page, where you can familiarize yourself with the service they offer. This part isn't critical for setting up your affiliate link, but it gives you an idea of what potential customers will experience when they click your link in the future. Next, you need to find the Quotex affiliate section. Again, using your search engine, look for Quotex affiliate program. You should see it listed as one of the best affiliate programs available. Click on that link. The website will detail the benefits of becoming an affiliate, such as commissions and other bonuses. It's a good idea to spend a moment here to understand the terms and conditions, which will help you decide how you want to promote the service once you're set up. When you're ready to proceed with signing up, look for the Sign Up button. It's typically located prominently on the page to guide new members. Clicking it brings you to a registration form. Here you will need to fill out basic details about yourself, like an email address and password. Make sure to choose a strong, secure password to protect your account. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll be prompted to join the program officially by clicking Join Us Now. This step is crucial as it confirms your willingness to participate actively in the affiliate program. After you've joined, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you will manage your links, track your clicks, and monitor your earnings. Next, navigate to the sub-affiliate section within your dashboard. This area is specifically designed for creating and managing sub-affiliate links, a useful feature if you plan to expand your reach or track different campaigns separately. Here you'll see an option labeled Highlight. By clicking on Highlight, you finalize the creation of your particular affiliate link. From here, you're free to share this link across your chosen platforms, tracking its performance over time through your affiliate dashboard. And there you have it, your very own Quotex affiliate link, ready to use. Feel free to explore all the tools available in your dashboard to optimize your affiliate marketing strategies and make the most of this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliating!